Hello, once again, amazing coders. Welcome back to another exciting Bitsbox programming lesson. I hope you are ready because today we are going to continue learning how to design mobile apps using code. Before we begin today's lesson, let's quickly remember what we learned in our previous class. Last class, we explored two very useful drawing commands, box and circle. We learned how to draw rectangles and circles, change their size, and add beautiful colors to them. Amazing. Today, we are going to use those drawing tools to build something even more exciting, a simple mobile app interface. You also discover how to draw commands or how drawing commands can be used to create buttons, organize your app screen, and even design simple games, quiz apps. Let's get started. So let's quickly review what we already know. We learned that the circle command draws circles, the box command draws rectangles or squares. We can change their colors, we can change their size, we can move them around the screen using X and Y positions. So today, we are going to combine all these skills to build a real app layout. So think about your favorite app. Have you noticed that almost every app has buttons? Yes. Well, today you will learn how to create your own. So what's today's mission? Today's mission is very exciting. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to do the following things: design simple mobile app screens, create colorful buttons, position text correctly inside buttons, understand how X and Y position helps arrange objects, and finally, you'll draw pictures, even letters using drawing command. Let's begin. So what can drawing command do? Many beginners think drawing commands are only for making shapes, but they can do much more. Drawing commands can help us draw beautiful shapes, of course, design a mobile app screen, create menus, build navigation buttons, design game interface, design quiz application. Amazing. So professional app developers begin by designing the interface before adding any advanced programming. Today, you are going to do exactly just that. Are you ready? Of course, you are ready. Let's get started. All right. So now let's build a simple math quiz interface. Begin by changing the background of the screen. So we'll type fill snow globe. Don't forget your quotation mark, as you can see on the screen. All right. So you click on play to test it out. All right. Amazing. So now let's create a title for the app. So we'll put the text, from bracket, the text will be math quiz. Are you following? All right. Now I'm gonna put it at location 180, 100, and the size should be 70. So I want the color to be dark turquoise. Then I want the text font to be lemonade, lemonada. All right. So I click on play. Now we have this. Amazing. Excellent. Our app now has a title. So now let's create the first button. So we're gonna use the line trust to create an outline. I'm gonna create the thickness for the box. So I'm gonna use the box command for a button. So I will put it 3470. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the left hand side. Then the width of the box, let's make it 270, and the height 80. Then the color, green, yellow, those brackets. Then I want the outline. Amazing. Hope you're following it. So I'm going to play this now and we'll see what it's all about. Oh, there's something. Okay, we don't have a close curly bracket, quotation mark. So you have the button here, as you can see on the screen. So now we have our button used by you breaking a box. So we're going to add a text inside it. So just follow along with what I'm doing. So text, I want to put them together. So they are together text. I want to put it inside. So the text has to be somewhere here. So you can say 55 55 or thereabout. So the text first, the name of the text is addition. Put your quotation mark, comma for the parameters 55, 530, the size 50, and the color maroon. Then I want to give it an outline or the font type, Codex. Close the quotation and close the brackets. Okay, so let's see. You can see we have this now. Very good. So we have created our first very fast button. You can repeat it. Let's duplicate this. So I'm still going to use the same line thickness to create our other box. I'll just be changing the position 7 750. Okay. So I'm going to leave that. Then the text inside will be division. I'm just going to change this one to 805. So let's see. All right. So we have the division. Let's pick another one, multiplication. When duplicate it, so I'm going to make it 4. All right. So this will be for multiplication. So for the multiplication, I'll just make this 470 by 470. The same thing. Then let's say, okay, the text. I want to make the text 480 by 525. Let me make it a bit smaller because the length is too much. Okay, then I'm going to do the subtraction. So I'll change this to subtraction. Then the subtraction is going to have 470. Then the 750. I think everything is good to go. Then the text, I'll make it 490. 825. Let's give this around 7. Okay.